The White Palace Adventure, Exploring Aksaray. Aksaray is an ancient crossroads in central Anatolia. They had arrived in the heart of Turkey, ready for an adventure. The city stretched out before them, dry and sunny, shadowed by a massive silent mountain. Their first stop was the famous İhlara Valley. It wasn't a wide plain, but a deep green canyon carved by the Melendez River. "This gorge is over 100 meters deep," Daphne whispered, looking down at the winding path. Arda rushed ahead, already eager to explore the hidden trail. Following the river, they found small carved doors hidden in the rock face. "These are rock-cut churches," Daphne explained, consulting her map. In the Byzantine era, people carved homes and sanctuaries right into the soft volcanic tuff. Inside, the walls were covered in faded, beautiful frescoes telling stories from long ago. After the cool valley, they drove toward the blazing sun until they reached Tuzgolu, the Great Salt Lake. It was the second largest lake in Turkey, but it barely looked like water at all. Instead, it was an endless expanse of sparkling white crust stretching to the horizon. "Look, Daphne, it's pink," Arda pointed, utterly amazed. In sections where the water was very shallow, tiny microbes and algae turned the brine a vibrant shade of rose and salmon. They carefully stepped out onto the crust. It felt like walking on thick, crunchy snow in the middle of summer. Next, their eyes turned upward. Dominating the Aksaray skyline was the magnificent, imposing cone of Hasan Dağ. "That is Mount Hasan," Daphne announced. "It's a dormant volcano reaching almost 3,300 meters high. It's why the land here is so full of volcanic rock and fertile soil." To understand the mountain's impact, they visited the Aksaray Museum. It housed treasures from the Hittites, Romans, and Seljuks. Arda peered into a glass case filled with colorful mosaics retrieved from ancient sites around the region. The history of the area stretched back thousands of years. Aksaray's strategic location made it vital. Long ago, Daphne explained, Aksaray was a crucial stop on the Silk Road, the trading route between East and West. That's why there are so many grand caravanserai, like Sultanhan, built nearby for traveling merchants. After a busy day of history, it was time for local treats. Aksaray is known for its delicious local dishes, often incorporating legumes and bulgur wheat. They found a bustling little outdoor cafe where they sampled dolma, stuffed vegetables wrapped in grape leaves. As the sun set, painting Hasan Dağ in deep purples and reds, Daphne closed her guidebook. "Aksaray isn't just one thing, Arda," she said thoughtfully. "It's a mix of a fiery past, volcanoes and empires, and quiet beauty, like hidden valleys and fields of salt." Arda nodded, already planning their next trip.